Hello, boys and girls, Miss Calhoun here, and today we're going to review the book about ladybugs. We will be filling out our mind map while we read the book. Today we're going to focus on the R in the triangle and in the can in the rectangle. Using our learning toolbox, we're going to be using our organization skills using this mind map to organize the information we get from the book. While we're reading the book, we're going to use our research skills, and we're going to be looking for information that can help us to fill out our mind map and organize our thinking. The first thing we're going to do is fill out our name. Then you can fill out the date, and when you're done filling out the date, in the middle of our mind map, we're going to put in what we are going to write about. Let's start reading about ladybugs. Remember, as we're reading, we're going to use our research skills to find information about what ladybugs are and what they can do. So look for those key words, are and can. Ladybugs. Again, here's the table of contents. The table of contents tell us what the book is about and the different parts about the topic. Here we go. Meet the ladybug. Ladybugs are insects. They are a type of small beetle. Let's go back to our mind map. We just read that ladybugs are insects and that they are a type of small beetle. So I'm going to fill this out. Let's go back to the book. Ladybugs can be found all around the world. All around the world, ladybugs live anywhere they can find food. So we just read an important can piece of information. We just read that ladybugs can be found all around the world. We will save the other fact for later. Ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. When they hatch from eggs, ladybugs look like tiny alligators. We just read that ladybugs are born when they hatch from eggs. Let's get back to our reading. Ladybugs have colorful bodies that are covered with spots. The spots are different for each kind of ladybug. Ladybugs make a smell when they get scared. When they get scared, this smell keeps other animals away. Ladybugs can fly with their two large wings. They flap their two large wings 85 times per second. We just read that ladybugs can fly with two large wings. Let's keep reading. Ladybugs spend time in the winter in large groups. In large groups, ladybugs sleep until spring. Ladybugs eat small insects. Eating small insects gives ladybugs everything they need to be healthy. Ladybugs are important in nature. In nature, ladybugs eat insects that feed on plants. We just read that ladybugs are important in nature. Let's get back to our reading. All done. Here are ladybug facts. Going back to our mind map, notice that we filled out what ladybugs are and what they can do. I did not use complete sentences in my mind map. In my mind map, I am just gathering information, so that way I can write about it later. Tune in next time and we will fill out what ladybugs have and other fun facts about ladybugs.